Hey, hello everybody. It's a great day in the neighborhood. It's almost like summer's back outside here in St. Louis, but I tell you what, we're still going to make some soup because we are back at the InstaPot. InstaPot makes your meals simple, and that's what we're going to do. We're going to make some soup. Dave Meyers here, KooKoo for KooKoo on the Cooking with KooKoo YouTube channel. And today we're going to make broccoli cheese soup. And the ingredients that we are going to use for from the Cocoa Exchange in this soup, it's our white chocolate raspberry honey mustard. And then our standard, the green chili hot sauce. So I'll just go through a little bit what's in this soup. We have our broccoli, of course, broccoli cheddar soup. We have potatoes, 2 cups of potatoes chopped up, and we have 3 cups of cheese, cheddar cheese. We have some vegetable broth, 3 cups of this, and a cup of half and half. We have salt and pepper, and of course our ground mustard, and an onion, and some garlic is going to be coming down. So you set your InstaPot on saute. Because we're going to do that with the onions and the potatoes. I think when it's beeping, I think that means it's heated. This thing makes more noise than my grandson that's 4 or 5 months old. I tell you what. So then we have 3 tablespoons of olive oil, and it's 3 tablespoons of a guess. In general, for the most part, you want to get your pan hot and your oil hot before you put your food in there, be it meat, be it onion, be it whatever. It just can start cooking right away and sear the flavors in. This is 1 large onion, kind of coarsely chopped. Then we have 2 cups of chopped potatoes. I kind of stir this up, and we saute the potato and the onions for about 4 minutes. So we got 4 minutes there. So now we're gonna squish in with the garlic squisher 3 cloves of garlic. Then we add our vegetable broth. I think you could probably also substitute chicken broth for this. The key ingredient, the broccoli of the broccoli cheddar area of the soup. We are going to add 1.5 pounds of broccoli florets. Got that. And we put the lid on now. Here. Oh, it makes all kinds of music. So there, the lid is on.
Okay, press cancel.
Where's cancel? Right here?
Yep. Okay, now press pressure cook. And press the plus button, or the minus button, to 10 minutes.
We are still in the experimental phase of R2D2, the InstaPot here. So we are going to be back in 10 minutes. We are going to get some other stuff out here to, spin the soup around in. And it's going to be really good. See you in 10. Oh. I don't know what to do. Did you get that? Oh, now I'm all fogged up. Okay, wait. Let the pressure off of the pressure cooker part here. And once we got that taken care of, we unplugged the pot. And now we can open it. Let's see what we got going here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh boy. At this point we're going to add all the rest of the stuff of our ingredients that go into the soup. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to put in our salt and pepper. It's 2 teaspoons of salt, a quarter teaspoon of pepper, ground pepper. We have our ground mustard, 1 tablespoon, white chocolate honey mustard. There's actually chunks of white chocolate in here. We're going to go ahead and add the hot sauce. Now, this can be, I'm going to say, two taste type of item. My wife is a little sensitive on the hot stuff, so I'm going to put not quite a tablespoon is what it calls for. And then finally we have our 3 cups of extra sharp or sharp shredded cheese, cheddar cheese, I'm sorry. Finally, got 1 cup, half and half. Get that good and mixed in. We don't have any heat on this. It's still as hot as it came out of the pressure cooker. This is kind of where it can get to a personal thing. I, for one, say you could probably leave it just like this. We're going to follow through with the recipe and ladle an amount that we think we'll be needing into the blender, and we can blend to a consistency of what we think is good. So we're going to ladle what we think we're going to need. So we got a little sample bowl here just to dress it up a little bit. These are some kind of Ritz cracker that I found in the pantry. Just some little bitty parts of the broccoli that we had. Lightly some cheese. And there it is, InstaPot broccoli cheddar soup using several KooKoo Exchange products. This is good, very good. In this case, might need a little more salt, but it's said to salt and pepper to taste after you're done. Nothing overbearing, very smooth, great soup. So there it is. We've got another InstaPot dish. Hope you give it a try. If you like this video, please hit like. If you think you'd like to see more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Cooking with KooKoo. And until then, we will see you next time. Dave Myers, KooKoo for KooKoo.